Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious garlic shrimp step by step. First, let's ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of large, peeled, and deveined shrimp. For the rich flavor, prepare 4 tablespoons of butter and 6 cloves of finely minced fresh garlic. Also, have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and the juice of 1 fresh lemon on hand. Don't forget some fresh parsley for a vibrant garnish. Before we start cooking, proper preparation is key for perfect garlic shrimp. Begin by patting your 1 pound of shrimp completely dry with paper towels. This helps them sear beautifully. Next, season the shrimp with about half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Take your 6 cloves of fresh garlic and mince them finely. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready, also known as mise en place, makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Place a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once shimmering, add your seasoned shrimp in a single layer. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as shrimp cook very quickly. Finally, add your minced garlic and 4 tablespoons of butter, stirring for just 1 more minute to create that irresistible sauce. To finish your amazing garlic shrimp, remove the skillet from the heat. Stir in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Then, generously garnish with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley for a beautiful presentation and a burst of fresh taste. Serve your hot garlic shrimp immediately over your favorite pasta, fluffy rice, or with some crusty bread to soak up that incredible sauce. Enjoy this quick and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.